Welcome to Basic Maintenance Tips presented by I Hate Cars. Today we will be discussing how to check your fluids and your tire pressure. We will be assisted by Timmy. Hey Timmy. First we will start by popping the hood. There's a lever in the corner under the dash on this Ford truck. On this Dodge Ram, there is a lever under the dash that simply says hood.
Yo, Sleepy, what's up, homie?
Not that type of hood. Now that the vehicle's hood is open, take a look around and get familiar with the layout. There are fluids that we will check with the vehicle running and with the vehicle off. Let's start with fluids that are checked with the vehicle off. Starting with the brake fluid. Give the reservoir a shake like Timmy has and observe the fluid line. The fluid level is good. This cap says that it takes .3 fluid. Now let's take a look at the coolant reservoir. The coolant is low and needs to be topped off. Warning: never remove the cap from your coolant reservoir or radiator when vehicle is running or when the vehicle is off but still hot. Hot coolant will spew out and you can be seriously injured, as demonstrated by Timmy. Be sure to top off your coolant with what is recommended from the manufacturer. With the vehicle off and cooled down, give the upper radiator hose a good squeeze to see if the system is still under pressure. If you can squeeze it like this, then you can open the cap safely. Next we will move to engine oil. This is your engine oil dipstick. Remove your engine oil dipstick and give it a good wipe. Clean the oil off and reinsert the dipstick into the dipstick tube. Pull the dipstick back out to take an accurate reading. This oil level is good. Your oil level should be at the top of these hash marks. If not, top off the oil and recheck. Let's move to our windshield washer fluid reservoir. This fluid can be checked with engine running or not. Take the cap off, take a look, and top off if needed. Now let's move to transmission fluid. This fluid is checked with the vehicle running. Let's start the vehicle and let it warm up. It is common practice to check the transmission fluid level after the vehicle has been driven for a few miles. Next we will pull the transmission dipstick. Take a rag and wipe it off, then we will reinsert into the dipstick tube to get an accurate reading. Pull the dipstick once again and check the level. As you can see, the fluid level is good. If the fluid is low, be sure to use what is recommended by the manufacturer. With the vehicle running, use a funnel to add transmission fluid down the dipstick tube. Recheck your level as shown. Next we will check our power steering fluid. This fluid is also checked with the vehicle running. Be sure to use the recommended power steering fluid for your vehicle. With the vehicle running, use a flashlight to look in reservoir and see the level. Top off fluid if needed. Now that we have checked our fluids under the hood, let's move on to our air filter. This filter has been removed. As you can see, this has been equipped with a washable K&N air filter. This does not mean you can neglect it. This filter is way beyond its service date. It needs to be cleaned or replaced. A dirty air filter will cause poor gas mileage and poor engine performance. We will now move on to checking our tire pressure. Your tire pressure information is located on the driver's side door of your vehicle. Here we see the tires need to be set at 35 psi. You will need a tire gauge. Damn it, Timmy, who hired this mother. I don't think I can do this anymore. This guy is driving me crazy. You will need a tire pressure gauge and an air chuck to add air to your tires, as demonstrated here by Timmy. Oh my god, why? Use your tire pressure gauge to check your tire pressure. If it is below spec, use your tire chuck to add air to the tire. It is a good practice to do these fluid and tire pressure checks periodically to keep your vehicle in good running order. A good time to do this is when you are at the gas station filling your tank. Thank you for watching Basic Maintenance Tips presented by I Hate Cars. And thank you to my assistant Timmy. They made me say that. I will never work with that again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and go check out some other videos.
Take care now. Bye-bye then.